It is a matter that has shaped public discourse for some time now. Revelations that poisoned sugar could have been sold to innocent Kenyans rattled the Kenya sugar market. But even before the dust settles, the Ministry of Health has confirmed that sugar imported into the country between July and December 2017 is unfit for human consumption.
In the lot of 170, that represents a huge number of sugar tonnage where it has been sampled to. Out of that, 60% is actually unfit for human consumption. That's what we are saying. That's what the report is saying. And those which are still remaining has not been released. It will be subjected to this mercury test that we will be providing.
Appearing before the parliamentary committee probing the entry of contraband sugar, Health Principal Secretary Peter Tim said the ministry has already written to county governments to have the unfit consignment destroyed immediately.
We should have by now traced who are the owners of the consignment and why are only destroying the consignment without bringing to book the culprits.
Unless now we work in retrospect up to the records that are there at the government chemist, Mr. Chairman, we might not be able to give you that.
When if you come today with a very good report, how have you helped Kenyans since you realize that the sugar has impurities?
And those which are still remaining has not been released. It will be subjected to this mercury test that we will be providing.
The committee put to task top officers from the Kenya Bureau of Standards for granting access to the contraband sugar which failed all its tests.
It's not that Kenya Bureau of Standards allowed and declared sugar. What we did is that particular code under which all those sugars were being classified applies to the various other types of sugars that we have given based on our standards.
Ile sukari yote sisi tumekagua kama Kenya Bureau of Standards, hakuna sukari tumepata ikiwa na mercury.
The committee further questioned why KEBS issued certificates of importation to companies on different conditions after it emerged that some importers sold the imported sugar not fit for consumption directly to consumers, while others were forced to reprocess it.
Sukari Industries and West Kenya Sugar Company Limited, both are millers, well known and established. With regard to Amnav and Menengai, in their application, there was clear indication where they were to do the milling.
KEBS indicating that only 4 companies have been proved to import raw sugar.
By law of KEBS is supposed to be repacked. The one that has come in bulk is supposed to be repacked at the point of discharge from the vessel. But the packages, the bags, must be written on not for sale.
When they allowed an individual to import, did you satisfy yourself that they had the capacity or they had the license to do the reprocessing?
The companies that were authorized by Kenya Bureau of Standards to process the sugar already had letters of authority from the Food and Agriculture Authority.
KEBS have until Wednesday morning to submit test results of sugar already in the market before the committee tables its final report on the floor of the House on Thursday. Brenda Czeda Radido, Channel 1 News.